Hey, good afternoon. Woody here at GMR Metal Roofs and Construction. Today we're in beautiful Lakewood Ranch here installing a Queen Style Verona stone-coated steel roof. I probably have to flip you around to get this to work, but you can see the boys are back there laying out the panels on this. We got the 2x2s laid on the back. On this panel here, you can see the Queen Style Verona bottle going on here. You can see we got our batten screwed off up to code on this parallel one. Our panels are all staggered with the seam laps. This Queen Style is a very beautiful product. We can walk on it very, very strong. It's a very strong, heavy gauge 26 gauge. The 1x4 down there at the perimeter edge, that gives us a better place to screw and also gives us a better wind design pressure where the panel will actually kind of slope up onto that just to make sure that the bottom eave is level. So again, you can see this is 2 days on the install here. Probably finishing this job off Wednesday or Thursday afternoon. It's a 2-story beautiful view. I've got to go over and see the person on the other side of the lake that wants to know what we're doing here. But again, Woody here, GMR Metal Roofs and Construction. I'll do another video of the opposite way around and show you some of the details that we're doing here on this Lakewood Ranch 2-story home and this beautiful view and the beautiful roofing weather finally in Florida. So again, if you like anything done that we do, let us know. Like us, follow us, find us in GMR Metal Roofs and Construction, Florida. Thank you and have a blessed day.